Okay, so let's do the programming of the ESC. So first thing we need to do is to connect this program card to our ESC. So if you can see there in the ESC, there's a connection port in there. It's showing, see that symbol in there is the signal. So I think you can see this one is negative and positive. So there are 3 pins there. So this one will go in there. Okay, so after connecting it, just have to power on. Okay, so once it's on, you can see here now that our program card is turned on. Okay, so the first thing you can see here is number 1, which is the running mode. So I'm going to use number 2 so that I can have the brake, because of these sounds. The GT sound will work on the brake. Then item 2 is a battery. So now currently I'm using NIMH, so I'll select 2. For the cut-off voltage, I just go to the medium, and then for the initial start force, I go all the way to 0. So I will start the truck very slow and then gradually moving forward, and then maximum forward force, so I go 100%. Then number 6, I just have to show you here on my other program card. Number 6 is the reverse force, so I choose number 3 so that I don't reverse very fast, since it's quite hard to reverse a trailer. Then item 7 is the maximum brake force, so I choose 100% maximum. Okay, then initial brake force, I go for number 4 at 18.75%. For the drag brake, I go for number 8, is a 90% drag brake. So this drag brake will help the truck when it's inclined, so that when you stop, it will not go back. And then number 10 will be drag brake rate, so I go for number 6. Then the neutral range, I go for number 4. Start mode punch, I go for number 5. You notice I'm putting them all in the middle. For the frequency, I just go to the middle also, 4K. And then the BEC voltage, I'm choosing number 1 because I'm using a 6 volts servo. And then for the freewheeling, I had it disabled. So after you finish programming, then you just press OK, and there you go. Okay, so after finish, you just have to power it off and then unplug. Okay, so after we put the body, this is how it looks like. Okay, so we go and turn it on so we can do a demo. So the first thing we need to do is to power on our transmitter. Power on. Okay, then we put this cover in there. Okay. Okay, so we start by turning on the lights. So to turn on the lights, channel 5 must go to low position, and then you can use channel 6 as a trigger. So go to low. Okay, it's the first one. Do it again. That's second one. Do it one more time. That's the third one. Okay, do it one more time. It will go off. So for the horn, the channel 5 must be in the middle position, and then this one will go to the upper position. Okay, for the hazard lights, this one should be in the low position, channel 5, and then this one will go to the upper position. Okay, go back to the middle. To turn it off, just go up again and then go down. Okay, to start the car, make sure that both channel 5 and 6 in low position, and then channel 6 will go to low position.